But this company is doing something really, really important. They are taking plastics out of our ocean, but they're creating this incredible product that we are all going to love. Let me show you what's inside this box. I have to admit I did peek a little bit. As you can see, there's a little eye peeking out of this right there. So this is a company called Shore Buddies. And like I said, they are taking plastics out of our ocean, but what they're doing with the plastics is making stuffed animals. They're called Shore Buddies, and they're making us aware of how important it is. Isn't he so cute? Listen, he actually makes noise too. Okay, why isn't he making noise? There he is. I wasn't squeezing it the right place. Is he the cutest? So this is one of them that I purchased. There's several different ones. This is Sammy the Seal. And the next one I'm going to show you is really a wonderful stuffed animal for Nantucket. Press here. Isn't that amazing? And he's so soft too, and it's hard to believe he's made from plastic. He's also going to last. I mean, some stuffed animals don't always last as you want. There's more in here. This is Steven Seagal. Isn't he adorable? So he's a keychain. You can also get him in a large version. Okay, I also got some straw buddies, so we can take some straws out of the ocean, because I still do love to use straws, but I want to do it in a more sustainable, friendly way. And they open up so you can clean them too. There's a little dolphin on them, and then they open up so you can clean them. I think that's so cool. Never seen that before. I will be using those. Then the idea behind Shore Buddies and what they do to remove plastics from the ocean is actually in a book. And I just met the person who wrote this book and created these. So he has written something for me. Barbara, thanks for your support in our mission to bring sustainability into play to keep plastics out of our oceans. May this book inspire Nantucket's next generation of ocean archivists. Yours, Malta. And talk about a great guy who's trying to make a difference. I'm going to read this book to you later. I'm going to just do the unboxing now. A couple other things, obviously. The price. Ooh, and a little, oh, it's a magnet. Oh, how fun. I'll put that on my refrigerator for sure. And then there's this. This is one of the reasons I wanted to do the unboxing. They are actually doing a campaign to raise money to continue to make these incredible plushes and to do school visits to share with kids what they're doing and to do more programs where they're removing plastics from our beaches. And they are just doing it for one more week. They extended it a couple days because they're so close to their wanted raising. So take a look. Shore Buddies, shorebuddies.com. I wonder, you might even be able to scan this. I'll put this on my wall so you guys can see it. And really, become an investor. Shore Buddies is trying to make a difference. And who doesn't love a stuffed plush? And it's very soft, makes hugging it very nice. And it's made from recycled plastic. Take a look.